The Nighthawk X6 is here, and it's incredible. The X6 delivers a massive combined wireless speed of up to 3.2 gigabits per second. There's never been Wi-Fi like it. Even if everyone and everything in the home that's connected to the internet is streaming, gaming, working, playing, socializing, or updating at the same time, the X6 won't miss a beat. You'll enjoy seamless clarity and lag-free response. Using breakthrough tri-band Wi-Fi technology, the X6 combines the power of 3 Wi-Fi signal bands to supercharge network data capacity, allowing more devices to simultaneously connect at faster data rates than ever before. The X6 optimizes Wi-Fi performance by intelligently assigning every device to the fastest Wi-Fi band possible. By doing so, the X6 allows devices to connect and perform unhindered by slower devices, meaning all devices load, stream, and game at their maximum speed. The X6 will also do load balancing across the two 5 GHz bands to ensure both the bands are utilized, ensuring you are using your home network to get the best Wi-Fi performance. The 6 high-performance antennas ensure you get ultimate coverage everywhere, pushing high-fidelity Wi-Fi to every corner of your home. The X6's 2 USB ports allow you to connect printers and storage drives to your home network and access them wirelessly at gigabit speeds. Stream and share the content on smart TVs, game consoles, and PCs, or play music on any Apple AirPlay-compatible device in the home. Even backups are made simple with Netgear's ReadyShare Vault backup software. Easy to set up and customize, the Nighthawk X6 changes what's possible. Don't let your Wi-Fi limit you. The Netgear Nighthawk X6, the tri-band Wi-Fi router that delivers more Wi-Fi to more devices.